Part 5, using a wider metal pen nib here, working on the hair. It actually goes much easier than all those little dots. You want to turn this. Do about 2 minutes worth. We're at 1 minute 14 seconds now. How are we doing, budgies? Everybody okay? Good. Everybody okay is what I meant to say. Coming along. It's good to get the dark hair on the sides of her face. All right, we're at 2:11, and I'm going to turn it off here. All right. Edmund Stone there on the radio. English bloke. And, King Classic Radio 98.1 in Seattle. He has a program on Sunday evenings. Music from movies and what have you. All right, there we have it for now. To be continued.